I am looking for a buying opportunity on the pound dollar this week for a mid to long term trading strategy. So let's have a look over here and let me share with you why I am looking for such move. On the weekly chart, what we can see over here, a very clear break and close above the previous resistance. This signal a mid to long term of a buying opportunity. Of course, when we look left, there's a bit of a concern previous structure over here, and that's also perhaps why the market wasn't moving much. So this week is super important for us to see if the markets are able to break and close above 1.2660. To the daily chart, what we can see over and over again across the weeks, different weeks as we goes, there are small achievement, a break and close above the high as it happens, and at the same time we do not see any RSI divergence on the daily chart, which is great news for traders who are looking for a buying opportunity. 24-hour chart, what we can see over here, uptrend continues, strong upward movement as well. This is something that you can look at, and on the 1-hour chart, uptrend as well. So I think it's a pretty straightforward trends for us to look at. The only thing that new traders may face is that when they are looking to sell at a high, they will keep on adding positions on when the market is moving a new high. And these kind of trends can take some time before it starts to even have a justifiable retracement. So if you are caught up with situation like this, you have been shorting pound dollar over the weeks and you have been losing money, stop engaging new trades right now, pause and learn. One of the ways for you to scan these QR codes over here, it will bring you to our students forum over here, and you just click the verify button under the verify channel, go under the traders cafe, click the pin message and click this link to redeem your free trading. So if we head to our students portal over here, this is where you get to learn how to read the analysis by yourself, and you're able to know whether the trend is a bullish trend or a bearish trend. And of course, you will be also taught trading strategies on how you execute a trade as well. If you'd like to get coached by myself and access to more content, drop me a DM. We will find one program or training that suits you. If you scroll down further, this gives you a great idea on what kind of traders we are. As you can see, most of our trades on our second targets achieve a 2-1 ratio, if not greater. And this is very important for traders because by having a 2-1 ratio, it pretty much said to us that we just need a 40% accuracy rate, we will be profitable. And that's provided you have a right risk management method. So if this is something that interests you, just by spending 50 minutes a day, you can generate some additional income. Drop me a note. Back to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. Alright, so on the daily chart, as you can see, the previous week I've already won. You can check my previous video or even the trading view post that said that the structure has broken. I'm looking for a buying opportunity, and this week once again it has also shown another break and close above the previous high. So this might look like a very small move, but you can see the previous high was at 1.2568 and right now is at 1.2628. So it has a 60 pips move between here to here. So it's your call to see if this is something that is a huge move. To me, it is something that is enough for us to generate additional income. So to the 4-hour chart, as a structure-based trader, you might want to wait for a pullback to 1.2572 before waiting for a buying opportunity. Some of the things that you might want to observe is to make sure that the market didn't break and close below the low on the support that's preferred. If not, 1.2549 is a very important level as well. To the 1-hour chart, traders, if you are trend traders, trend line traders, you might want to wait for another retest within the trend line or the support line before looking for a buying opportunity. So if this is what you like, just spend 50 minutes a day, go through analysis, set alert, and wait for your smart devices or even your computer give you the notification, and all you need to do is to check do a last check before you engage a trade. Drop me a note if